bed. So folks, grab your kids. If you won't, everybody jumping on the truck. If you are sitting in the back of the truck, everyone's butt has to be in the bed. You have to be completely in the bed. That means you are not sitting on the sides or the tailgate. You have to be sitting completely inside. And then help me count them down in 3, 2, 1, we know who won that one. All right. Help me count them down in 3, 2, 1, how that goes.
Look, you can get up in there.